I learned how to knit and how to crochet long before the internet. So I thought I would post this little video to show you how I crochet, because I crochet in exactly the same way as I knit. And I really enjoy crocheting in this way, but I can't crochet in the way that it shows me on the internet. This is the way I was taught how to knit, and I didn't know at the time, but apparently this is the English way to knit. So this hand has control over the knitting and the stitches, and this one has control over putting the wool over. So I hold like this, and you see that okay? And it's quite tight. You can keep your tension with this here. Okay, you just tuck it in there. This holds the needle, and over, over. This is how I hold the crochet, and this is how I hold the wool that I'm going to feed onto the hook. And I have complete control of the crochet with my left hand. I have complete control over the wool on my right hand. So I hope this will encourage people who have been knitting in the English way to have a go at doing crochet in the same way, because I'm sure they will love it.